Ratika Seth and I head the Vivaha exhibitions. You know, the USP about Vivaha has been, we've been doing Vivaha for the last 13 years in India, and we came to Dubai a couple of years back. And the basic USP of the exhibition is that we try and get you the entire flavor of India. So we have people coming from Jaipur, from Bombay, from Delhi. It's not, city centric as such. So the entire mix is there. So when people come here to shop, they get to see the entire variety. They get to see the speciality of each city under one roof. It's been great. In fact, we've been doing it biannually. My last show here at the same place was in March, and we decided to do September because we wanted to target the Diwali and the Eid season. And the response has been overwhelming because people are coming here and seriously shopping. A lot of times, we've been to shows where we see people there, but they come to just have a look around. But here people are shopping seriously. They're actually taking time out and spending a couple of hours over here at each booth and finally deciding what they want to shop.
We at Neeru's are in complete ethnic women's, starting from salwar suits to saris and lehengas. And we are into kids, and now we have launched one more new collection of Neeru Kumar Pret line collection, which is doing awesome in Dubai. Before coming to Dubai, it was not knowing they are very much fashion conscious. And we got people from India also. But really it's amazing to see that they are very fashion conscious. They want the best. Even though they are out of the country of India, but still they need the best, and we're getting a good response.
I am Manu Rawal from the brand Manu Mamta. Vivaha is always a great thing because we are associated with Vivaha for the last 14 years. We do each and every show of theirs, and we truly enjoy doing it. Everybody is carrying different stuff, everybody has their own line, and it's a great feeling because people come and tell us all the time that it's shop under one roof. My collections are on different theme based, like we have digitals, we have laser cuttings, we have couture lines, bridal lehengas, everything. Audience I would say it's a mixed bag with our collections. Also we are targeting the Arabian crowd as well as the Indian or the Desis, what you call. So it's doing well.
Hi, this is Namrata Kapoor, and I'm representing from Delhi. And I'm into basically the fusion and contemporary jewelry, and it's like a mixed blend of a jewelry which you can wear with like Indo-Westerns and with drapes, with fusion wear, as well as with your Pret wear, as well with the couture wear. Response was superb. I'm almost sold out, so it's a super hit show, and Vivaha is doing really well, and it's like first time in Dubai, and it's a really great show, no doubt. Vivaha is rocking.
My name is Amit Sood, and I'm a destination wedding photographer. Last year I was awarded as the best wedding photographer in Delhi, and this year I've been awarded by the Times Group as the best candid wedding photographer in India. So it's a big market for all of us, and Vivaha has given us a platform to come to Dubai. And I think there are a lot of exhibitions happening from India, and a lot of Indians are actually participating and coming to Dubai. And we are glad to be here. We are basically giving you a sense of candid photography here, and we are also promoting books from Italy and Germany.
Yeah, hi, I'm Rosie Alubale from Delhi, India, and I'm here to launch my collection in Dubai for the new brides coming up. Oh, it's excellent. I'm blessed to be a part of them.
Hi, I'm Kunal. My label is Dionor. I'm from India, Delhi, GK2. I specialize into bridal wear for men's and women's. See, I specifically brought my collection here for keeping in mind the wedding season coming in September onwards, which specialize into pre-bridal, post-bridal, all the solution for men's and women's. Though I have no physical pieces for men's here, but I specialize into men's and women's both. I'm pretty much proud. Last time I was like, I was the best designer here, and this time also been appreciated a lot. And people are taking quite a good interest in my garments, keeping in mind as I do more of things like all couture, so it's primarily on custom basis. So I think probably Dubai people are really happy with the stuff, and they're giving me a right opportunity to dress for them.
Hi, I'm Ghazal from Satwa Sarees, Jaipur. I feel honored. It's I think we're doing Dubai for the first time, and it's been really good. We're really happy with the response. Basically, in Dubai, people who really want to buy things, they come.
Hi, I'm Avantika. My label is called Saj by Ankita. We do Indian wear, but we do Indian wear for the young at heart. So we take the ethnic collection like a sari or a suit, but we make that into more young, fun kind of a thing. We've got here a collection of pre-draped saris and sari gowns. So it's basically like a skirt, you zip it up and take the palla, so you don't have to go through the whole hassle of wearing a sari in the traditional way. So it's something for, we've got a lot of bright colors and minimalistic work, very happy, very vibrant, very sexy and fun. Oh, Viva and us, we've had a very long relationship. Tarun has always done his best to give the show a whole grand look. There are a lot of people over here, a lot of designers from all across India, and Dubai is a great market for all of us because there are so many Indians and who are over here, and that's the target market that we're looking at. And it's just been great. It's been great being here.